kitty cat creeper.
What's going on, guys? Raider Smith here, and we are doing construction. This is our old clubhouse. It's all damaged and beat up. Okay, let's do this. We're using the old bricks.
Bring those ones. These ones I'll put up.
These nuts. Got him. Okay. Let's do this. Alright, so this is the place. Piece of crap. With this, it's definitely gonna be blocked. So yeah, my couch is just gonna hand over a few bricks, and we're gonna measure how long of bricks we need. 21. You're stupid. Can't measure this in. If we're gonna build it in the woods, we can't. Okay, so this wall looks like it's 32 inches. This wall. Okay, we're good. Oh God! Pick this up. There you go. Drag this over to here.
Turn it. No, we're gonna turn it.
Okay, turn.
No, we're not putting it in the hole. We're not putting it in the hole. Turn this way. We're gonna long ways. Long ways. Like side to side. Look. This way. So that way. But turn it all.
Oh, up there.
No. This way.
Oh, okay. There we go. There we go, side to side. Now, okay. Good fall.
I don't know if this is gonna work that way because there's nothing holding it. Nope, it's not gonna work, Jake. You have to turn it back that way.
Oh man, this is gonna be such a project.
I'll get done before winter's done, maybe.
Then somebody can just kick this dirt. Breaking an entry.
Watch out!
Oh God, get down.
What's climbing up the wall?
That's just a spider.
Kill it for me. I hate spiders.
Alright. Wait till the spider comes out and goes bites me. Ah! It's stuck. Okay, there we go.
Wait. Can I take pictures? Grab the measuring tape on the floor.
The measuring tape? What? Don't tell me I have to go back there. I don't see it. Where is it?
In the corner.
Well, maybe you can go get it.
No, I'm taking pictures. Skunk! Skunk!
Go, 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 go! You guys see that freaking skunk? Oh dang, no, it's a cat. Oh. Man, I need to go catch up with my cousin. Man, that was close. That's going to be today's vlog, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. More content. So yeah, guys. See you in the next video. Alright, guys, the vlog didn't end. We actually need to see some pictures. Cousin took some pictures.
Quiet. Don't hear it.
Let's go check. Here's something.
Oh, spoon. Quiet, spoon.
Oh shit.
It's in there. Watch, it's gonna spray us.
Should we get going? Yo! It actually does get you. Yeah. A whole bunch of crazy events have been happening. Skunks on our tail.
We better go into the front of the house.
I see the glass frame. Well, let's start going inside. I can even smell it now. No, I don't. I'm just kidding.
I thought I smelled it.
Okay, let's go. That's gonna be today's vlog, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. This is official. So yeah, guys. See you in the next vlog.